squared e to the 5t times
t.
Oh yeah, never mind. 5e to the 5t.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, got that. Now double the body, then the double.
Double butt.
So 6t.
Oh.
Or whoa.
Oh.
I'm just cleaning it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Cool? We okay with that cleanup?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh,
6t.
The derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second plus the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. So you end up with 6t e to the 5t plus 15t squared e to the 5t plus 15t squared e to the 5t plus 25t cubed e to the 5t. And if you really wanted to, you could just say that that's equal to, you could do, I think it's 3t e to the 5t times 2 plus 5t plus 3t.
Why would it be?
3t.
why don't you combine the...
Kids. Low. D high. Minus high. D low. All over?
One question.
Yes.
When you have a, like...
Good. X plus 1 to the negative
3 halves.
3 halves. And now it's just going to be the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Like that. And just clean it up a little bit. Y double prime is equal to negative 2 times x plus 1 to the negative 3 halves minus 2x plus 1 to the minus 3 halves. Let's say plus 3x x plus 1 to the negative 5 halves. So no, there's a minus sign on the outside, kids. It's gonna be plus. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah. Okay. So there it is with using the. We started with the quotient rule and then we used the product rule. Great. So instead, though, let's start with the. Instead, let's just rewrite it as 4x times what? X plus 1 to the what? To the negative 1 half. We just start like that. We use the product rule. Y prime is equal to the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Should we clean it? Let's clean it up a little bit. 4 times x plus 1 to the negative a half. Minus 2x times x plus 1 to the negative 3 halves. Are we back with the same thing? Yeah, we did the same thing. So we're going to end up right there. Okay? That is the first derivative we got before, the exact same thing. Correct. So h prime of s is going to be 1 half a s to the negative a half minus 1 half b s to the negative. Funny. H double prime of s is going to be negative 1/4 a s to the negative 3 halves plus 3bs to the negative 5/2. All done. There's no product rule here because there's no two things being multiplied together that are variables.
Wait, 3bs?
Yeah, because the negative cancels and the, oh, negative 3/4. Sorry, 3/4. Sorry. 3/4. Thank you. What rule? Product rule. Good. What's the derivative of y? Y prime ln x plus y times 1/x equals 1 times ln y plus x times 1/y y prime. What did I just do there? I just did the product rule how many times? Twice. What am I interested in solving for now? Y prime. If I'm going to solve for y prime, where do I have to put y prime? On one side. So we have y prime ln x minus x over y prime is equal to ln y minus y over x. What can I factor out on the left?
Y prime.
So y prime is going to be equal to ln y minus y over x all over ln x minus x over y. That right there is a 40-second problem that starts off with a show-stopping, I have no idea where to start, and you can just crush it with logarithmic differentiation.